Welcome to the Volcano simulation. This simulation consists of 4 parts exploring different aspects of volcanoes. Select the Topographic Maps button to see how topographic maps are created. To begin, select the Mark Outline button on the bottom of the screen, and then the Add Water button. Repeat this process until the water level reaches 20. At this point, select the Drain Water button to show the topographic map created by marking the various water levels. Select the Change Shape button to create different maps for different shapes. Select the Main Menu button to complete other parts of this simulation. Next, select the Solid Earth Structure button. Select a structure name, and a circle will appear next to the name. Select and drag the circle to the correct Earth structure. Repeat this process until all Earth structures are correctly matched. Select the Check Answer button to evaluate your responses. Again, select the Main Menu button to complete other parts of this simulation. Choose the Plate Boundaries button. Select a plate name, and again a circle will appear next to the name. Select and drag the circle to the correct Earth plate. Repeat this process until all plates are matched. Select the Checked Answer button to evaluate your responses. When done with this section, select the Main Menu button to complete other parts. Now choose the Volcanoes button. Select and place the thermometer in the red can. Next, place the thermometer in the large blue container. Now select and place the red can into the large blue container. Choose the Run button and observe the results. If needed, repeat the investigation by selecting the Reset button on the bottom of the screen. You can select the Main Menu button to go to other parts of this simulation.